Good morning. This lesson is for my Integrated 1 classes, but before I get started, I want to say I hope that everyone's doing all right out there. I'm not sure how I'm going to title this lesson, but I'm going to title it how I title it in the title. But what I am sure of is our one goal for the day. Our first and only goal is to write equations of horizontal and vertical lines. This is going to be a pretty short and simple lesson, so I'll just jump right in and finish this thing here. I have an example of a horizontal line, horizontal like horizon, and I've noted 3 points and their coordinates on this horizontal line. Now notice that every point on the horizontal line has a y-coordinate of 3. So I'm going to underline the y-coordinate of 3 to really stress that, and so you can see what I'm talking about here. So every point on the horizontal line has a y-coordinate of 3. Or y is always 3. That is literally the equation of that line. Y is 3. That is the equation of that horizontal line. Now, some of us want vertical lines to be the y equals equation, but that's not the case. The y-axis is vertical. This is literally saying this line always has a height of 3. So we're always at this height of 3. So horizontal lines have y equals equations, okay? Y equals our horizontal lines. So I'll write that down just to reinforce that. Okay. Second example here, I have a vertical green line, and again, like before, I wrote down the coordinates of 3 points that are on the line, and in this example, notice that every point on the vertical line has an x-coordinate of 4. And again, just like previously, but instead of a y, this is x. X is always 4. So we literally have the equation x equals 4. Now, students want these to be horizontal, but what this equation is saying is that we're always 4 away from the y-axis. Okay. So that's our equation, and x equals our vertical lines. All right. So I'd like to just summarize how we're going to write the equation of a line. So if you're asked to write the equation of a line passing through 2 points and there are repeating values, set that coordinates variable equal to the repeating value, and that is the equation of the line. So here's a real simple example of what I'm talking about. Write the equation of the line passing through 6, -5, and 3, -5. Now notice there are repeating values. I have -5s that are repeating. And those -5s are y values. So literally, to write the equation of this line, I just have to say y equals -5. So I just set that coordinates variable equal to the repeating value, and that's the equation of the line. It's that simple, but we can only do that when we have a repeating value. And this is the equation of the horizontal line going through -5 of the y-axis. So that is my lesson on how to write equations of horizontal and vertical lines. I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Again, I hope everyone is doing all right out there. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.